Namaste friend, welcome back to Cook with Chef Satya. Today I am sharing a simple, healthy and delicious Tindli Ki Sabji recipe that is perfect for lunch or dinner.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं शेफ सत्या। मेरा चैनल में कुक विद शेफ सत्या आप सबका स्वागत है। चलिए आज हम शुरू करते हैं। तिंडली का भाजी इन इंग्लिश इज कॉल्ड आइवी गार्ड। वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट सिंपल रेसिपी एंड इजी टू मेक विद शॉर्ट टाइम। तो चलिए देखते हैं आइवी गार्ड और तिंडली का भाजी। चलिए।
For today's recipe, we need fresh tindli, cumin seeds, green chilies, onions, curry leaves, tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and oil. Very simple ingredients, amazing taste. First of all, you have to cut the tindlis, slice and have to add turmeric powder, chili powder and salt for the marination, and you have to keep it heat oil in a pan. And then add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add green chili, curry leaves, the aroma is wonderful, and the next add garlic, chop onion, and saute until they turn light golden, and cooked until little bit soft. Now add in it the marinated tindli and mix it well. Mix it everything well. Mix thoroughly so the spices coat every pieces of sliced tindli. Now add little bit chili powder. Again little bit of turmeric powder. And finally, time to add some chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Now add little bit salt to taste. Chopped tomato as well. Some coriander leaves, chopped, fresh. Mix it well again. Stir occasionally. Cover the pan and cook on medium-low flame for about 12 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally. Look at that. Our delicious Tindli Ki Sabji is now ready. Now, time for the presentation. Serve it hot with roti, paratha or steamed rice. Look at that, amazing smell, looks delicious, and of course it's tasty. Hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to Cook with Chef Satya. Thank you. See you in next video. Take care.